Hey everyone, Matthew here at Earthworks amongst the Clusia shrubs. These are an amazing, fast-growing, tropical, subtropical shrub that we can grow here in Jacksonville. I am highly recommending these toward the intercoastal area, toward the beaches, and even toward the river where the microclimates are just a little bit warmer than average. We will not want to plant these on the sides of town where it gets colder in the wintertime. So definitely intercoastal, east, west, and at the beaches or along the river where our microclimates are going to help protect these guys. These are a great alternative to any accent shrub. Can also be used as a screen or a hedge. Because they're so fast growing, so thick and full, you can maintain these easily at 5 to 6 feet tall, keep them nice and tight, allow them to get upwards of 8 feet tall to create a real nice privacy hedge, or you can keep them a little bit smaller with regular pruning. These plants are a little different in that the leaves look almost like a succulent, almost like the jade plant. If you've ever seen a jade plant, they have a leaf that looks very similar, but they're not a succulent, but they definitely have an appearance that makes them very unique and sets them apart from a lot of the other shrubs that we carry. We have several really nice 25-gallon. Come check them out here at Earthworks. They are spectacular.